And when you say, especially like compliance, an assessment should be compliant, how do you ensure, like, let's say if I have RTO, how do I ensure that my resources or my assessment that I've got are compliant?
Great question. And I think this is one of the most important thing and a most challenging thing for the RTO, because it's based on a range of ESCO audit. The majority RTO is struggling in class 1.8 related to the assessment. The journey start with the step one. So before I even implement that assessment, I do a pre-validation. So the pre-validation is that before we give that assessment to the trainer and student to teach, we just make sure that all the assessment that we have used or bought it from third party or created in-house are actually meeting all this requirement of training packages. The assessment is contextualized to the relevant cohort. So if I know already before I implement, I prevent a lot of headache. So that's number one. Once we implement it, I just need to make sure that the evidence that we're collecting is actually sufficient. If I get the sufficient valid evidence, then it's going to meet all the requirements. So therefore, all the instruction, for example, if question says that 5 strategy needs to be written, then make sure the student write 5 strategies there. If assessment is saying that they need to submit template 1, 2, and 3, then make sure they submit all those 3 templates and get all those things. And once you have collected all those evidence properly, and then you do your validation process. If you do all those things properly, your assessment system is aligned, and very less likely you're going to have non-compliance issues in the audit.
Yeah, makes sense. Very nice, very informative, right?
Contact our team to make your RTO an exemplary model for delivering new age learning.